Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to introduce you about Lauren Karina, a content creator, Indonesian language teacher, and independent musician based in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. I choose Lauren Karina because her work combines education, language, creativity, and digital media. Through her online platforms, she helps people from different countries learn Indonesian in a practical and engaging way. Lauren Karina graduated from the English Literature program and has experience working as a bilingual translator and interpreter. Her educational background gave her strong communication skills in both English and Indonesian. During her work as a translator and interpreter, she realized that many foreigners were interested in learning Indonesian. However, she also noticed that most learning materials focus on formal Indonesian, while everyday conversations in Indonesia are often different from what is taught in textbooks. This experience inspired Lauren to create educational content that focus on practical Indonesian. She wants learners to understand how Indonesian people actually communicate in daily life. Instead of only memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary lists, learners are encouraged to understand expressions, pronunciation, and natural conversations that they can use in real situations. Lauren is best known through her social media platform called Indonesian with Lauren. Through this account, she creates educational videos that introduce Indonesian vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, expression, and daily conversations. Her content is designed to make learning Indonesian easier, especially for foreign learners who may have never studied the language before. One of the characteristics of Lauren's teaching is that she explains lessons in a simple and clear way. Rather than giving long and complicated explanations, she provides practical examples that learners can immediately apply in daily communication. This makes her content easy to understand and enjoyable to follow. Besides producing free educational content on social media, Lauren also offers Indonesian Master course. These courses are available for learners with different level of proficiency, from beginners to advanced students. The course provide more structured lesson and allow students to improve their speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills while learning Indonesian in a supportive environment. Another important aspect of Lauren's work is her teaching philosophy. She believes that the primary purpose of language is communication, not a platform for rigid idealism. This means that language should help people express ideas, understand one another, and build relationships. According to her, effective communication is more important than trying to speak perfectly all the time. Because of this philosophy, Lauren actively addressed misconceptions about learning Indonesian. Some learners believe they must always use formal Indonesian or avoid making mistakes when speaking. Lauren explains that native speakers often use informal expressions and conversational language in everyday situations. Therefore, understanding practical communication is just as important as learning formal grammar. Her lessons often compare formal Indonesian with the language people naturally use in daily conversation. This approach helps learners communicate more confidently when talking with native speakers. It also helps them understand the cultural context behind certain words and expressions, making the learning experience more realistic and meaningful. Lauren's work also demonstrates how technology can support language education. Social media has become more than just a place for entertainment. It has become a platform where educators can reach learners from different countries without geographical limitations. Through short videos, interactive lessons, and online course, Lauren has made Indonesian language learning more accessible to a global audience. In addition to teaching, Lauren is also an independent musician under the stage name Not Your Wife. Through this project, she creates and shares her own music. Although music and language education are different fields, but require creativity, communications, and self-expression. Her ability to work in both areas shows her diverse talents and interests. Lauren's career also reflects the growing importance of digital literacy in education. Today, educators are expected not only to have subject knowledge but also to know how to communicate effectively through digital platforms. Lauren's career also reflects the growing importance of digital literacy in education. Today, educators are expected not only to have subject knowledge but also to know how to communicate effectively through digital platforms. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening.